So in today's video, we're going to look at how you can create a custom HIIT workout on your Apple Watch. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, and it's really good at improving your cardiovascular fitness. To break it down, what you do is you do short bursts of exercise followed by short rest periods. This means you can pack quite a lot of high intensity training into a short amount of time. Now, the Apple Watch with its custom workouts is ideal for building these on. And I'm going to show you how you can build a HIIT workout, and we'll start out by just doing it with 3 exercises. You can then go on and build as big or small HIIT workout as you would like. So the 3 exercises we're going to do to build the workout are high legs, burpees, and squats. Right, let's get over onto the watch and have a look how you put this thing together. So first of all, you need to go to your workout app, either selecting it off your complication or opening it by pressing the digital crown and then selecting workout. The next thing we need to do is find the HIIT workout in order to be able to write a custom program for it. So if you rotate your digital crown, it'll go through all the exercises you've got. Now, you may not find HIIT is on there. So to find HIIT, what you need to do, scroll all the way to the bottom, hit the add symbol, hit the add workout, and then this provides a list of all your workouts that are available to you in alphabetical order. So you just go down to HIIT. Here it is, high intensity interval training. Select that, and that will now appear in your workouts list from now on. In order to build a workout, you need to hit the top right button, which then gives you 2 categories, gives you goals and custom workouts. We're obviously going to select custom workouts, and you can see there I've already done 1 HIIT, but we'll forget that because we're building one from scratch. Scroll all the way to the bottom and hit the add button. This gives us the page to create a new custom workout. And the first option you can see we've got there is a warm-up. Well, in this case, we're going to skip that. So what we're going to do now is go to the add button, and then you get the chance to either do work, do recovery period, or do repeats. So to start off with, we're going to do our high legs workout. So we select work, and this is going to be time-based because it's a HIIT, and we're going to do 30 seconds work followed by 30 seconds recovery. So this is work, it's time-based, and we're going to set this to 30 seconds. So we select the end one there, simply scroll that up on the crown or on the screen itself. There we are, 30 seconds. So we've got 30 seconds work now. If we if we click on that work, we can actually say what this is. Now we can call this high legs. Click done. And now our interval name is called high legs. We can see it's a goal type is time, and the time is 30 seconds. We haven't got a target in this, so that's done. So now we've named it, we can go back. And now we want to add the next stage, which is 30 seconds recovery. Hit the recovery button. This is time-based again. Again, select 30 seconds. Hit done. So now we've got a high legs workout for 30 seconds, a 30-second recovery. Now here's a handy tip. Click on the recovery and don't call it recovery, call it rest. And then put a space, and then put what your next exercise is going to be. This makes it easier when you do it. When you're doing the rest period, it'll tell you what your next exercise is going to be, so you can prepare for it rather than having to jump straight into it when the timer starts. So the next one we're going to say is we're going to do squats. So if we just put squats next, done. And then we've got our interval. Go back, and you can still now, we are starting to build it up. So we're not doing a warm-up, we've got high legs, and then we've got a rest, but we know that we've got squats next. Add your next work, time-based, 30 seconds, tap on it again, and we're going to call this squats. Hit done, hit the back button. Now we have our 30-second squats, and we carry on going through. Next we have the recovery time, 30 seconds, done. But in the recovery this time, we're going to put down, it's a rest. And the next one we're going to do is burpees. Hit done. Back. Add next work session. I'll run through this really quickly, so I'll speed the video up just to go through this to make it quicker, because you get the idea now. It's time-based. And then finally, just to finish off, we'll just do a 30-second recovery period just to finish off. And that's it. So that's us now with our 3-step HIIT interval program. So we start off with some high legs. We do a 30-second rest with squats next. We do those squats. We have a 30-second rest, telling us burpees next. We do the burpees for 30 seconds, and the watch will let us know to do 30 seconds recovery. So now scroll down. You can put a custom title in here, and you can call it whatever you want. Hit 2. And that's us done. Under there, it will show us our custom views that we'll get. And then after your custom views, you'll get your normal workout views if you scroll through your screen. And that is pretty much it. Scroll to the bottom, create workout, and there it is. There's your custom workout done. So let's have a look how it runs through. So you just click on it, and you get your 3, 2, 1 countdown. And you can see that we are straight into high legs, 30 seconds, and away we go. So I'll speed through this. This will count through the last 14 seconds. And then you can see we're now into our rest period. And that's 30-second rest period, and it's telling us we've got squats next. So we can get ready to do squats after this 30-second rest period. So we've got 16 seconds left. So I'll run through this quickly. There, and now we're straight into our squats now. So we've got 30-second squats. So you get the idea. You can build your work up quite quickly. This will inform you, if you've got your headphones in, it will inform you of what you've just done and what you've got coming up next as well. So hopefully that was useful. If you've got any questions, because I can tell it can be a little bit difficult to do maybe, let me know in the comments below, and I'll answer you as best I can. If you really like this video, please think about liking and subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you get notified every time that I upload a video. Thanks very much. I'll see you next time.